Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Galing pa akong work. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng Mornington. Dun sa may hot spring doon, dito sa Melbourne. And parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-vlog. Sobrang init ngayon dito guys. Grabe, 36 degrees. Tapos magte-37 na. Tapos pupunta kami ng hot spring. Ako alas 4 na. So need ko nang mag-ready. Kasi 6:15 kami magkita-kita doon sa facility. Doon kami magkita-kita. Kasi yung mga kasama ko dito, gala na to is yung sa department namin, sa lifestyle team. And ayan nga, mag-relax-relax muna kami doon. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Hello everyone! Ayan, ready na ako. Dito na yung boat ko. Narinig ko na yung train. So, dito na sila tigready. So, bababa na ako para doon kami mamimit sa station. And maglalakad kami papuntang facility kasi malapit na. So, ayan. Let's go. With Ate Curly.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, ang very sexy na mama.
Ay, wag po!
I mean, naglalakad na kami ngayon papuntang facility. Doon kami magkita-kita.
po talaga ako. Tulak po ako na.
Hinihingal ako. Ang init kasi. Like 1.2 kilometers. So, we just arrived. Yay! Sophia, say hi.
Hi!
Thank you so much for the car.
Oh, no, thank you
so much for the drive.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute.
This is going to the reception. Very, very nature. It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
I'm excited. Footbath. Oh, we just had a footbath.
You see, when you dip, it's cold.
Yeah. Now, barefoot lang kami, guys. Ayan. Excited. Pagkatapos mong mag-dip sa init, malamig sa paa after, di ba? Makikita na yung tutoy ko. Ayan, yeah. Let's go! Sa kahit anong sides, maraming pwedeng puntahan. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, magkabilaan pa yan. Ayan, pwede ka mag-standby dyan. Ayan. Ayan, dito kami. Dito namin napili. Cold?
No, one.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll take a video.
You can drink. Just drink and go.
Guys, everything looks so aesthetic. Ang ganda tingnan, ang ganda picturean. Oh my God. Ngayon, naghahanap na kami ng pagkain. Kasi wala pa kaming dinner and it's already 8:42. Almost 9 o'clock.
It's the best. Yay, we're the A-team.
You can't see me already. Hindi kami talaga nag-swimming masyado. Parang nag-ano lang kami parang nag-cold plunge. Pero hot plunge, ganun.
Actually, I already had a dinner.
You can have more. Yes, true.
Trade with my sister.
So I'm so sleepy now.
I'm so
She's trying to wake herself up with food.
She's tired.
Okay. No, it's alright, Princess.
I
will go. I will go because you know you already say yes.
Hello everyone, update.
Max.
Hindi na nakapag-vlog.
I enjoy much. Just
trying my best. I think it works. If it doesn't matter.
So guys, ngayon nag-aantay na lang kami sa coffee. So, diba? Coffee and chocolate with pastry.
No, I said to her and spend your $600.
Okay. So, nag-aantay na kami ng ano. Ayan, nandito na yung chocolate.